Hello, today I will be talking about the basic C types. There are 5 basic types: char, int, float, double, and void. First, we have char, which is used to store one single character. Next, we have int, used to store integer values like 10. Next, we have float and double. They are used to store values that have decimal digits like 2.5, but they differ in how many decimal digits they have. And with the void type, we say that a function does not return any value. Also with void, we can declare generic pointers, and all of these concepts we'll see in the future. All of these basic types, they have a range of values they can store. Here we have a table with this range where you can see for each type we have the size, and depending on the size we have a different range. The size in bits depends on the system. As an example of int type, in a 16-bit system, the int will have 60 bits. In a 32 system, the int type will have 32 bits. As you can see in this table, we have some modifiers like signed, unsigned, short, and long. These modifiers are used to manipulate the range of values a type can store. Using signed modifier is implicit when you declare the types without a modifier. For example, using int is the same as using signed int, and this is applied to the other types. Here I have an example of declaring a char variable and also declaring two integer variables. One is storing positive value and another one is storing a negative value. Here we can see the values in those variables, but now let's try something. As I showed earlier, using int or signed int is the same thing. But what happens if we say short int? Here the compiler is showing an overflow warning because we are declaring the variable as short, but we are passing a value much larger than the short can handle. So if you want to get rid of that warning, we must use a value that is in the range of the short int. So let's compile again and we can print. So here is another example of using float and double. Both variables can have decimal numbers, but the difference is that double can have more decimal digits. So here I'm printing the float variable using only 3 digits and printing the double variable using 12 digits. So here are the values. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.